Welcome to the home of English for English grammar and vocabulary learning. This session is a continuation of our one-word series in English vocabulary. These are all selected words which are repeated in every examination. So learn each and every word carefully. Watch other lessons in the playlist. At the end, there are 2 model questions. Be attentive. Let's start. One words denoting persons. First one, emigrant. Emigrant, a person who leaves his country to settle in another country. A person who leaves his own country to settle in another country is an emigrant. Its antonym is immigrant. Immigrant. That means a person who comes to live permanently in a foreign country. So see the difference. A person who leaves his own country to settle in another country is emigrant. Means he is exiting. This is a memory code for it. Exiting, emigrant. And incoming to a foreign country to settle down or live permanently is immigrant. See the spelling difference. In emigrant there is only one M. And immigrant, there are 2 M's. May be asked in spelling correction. So that is emigrant and immigrant. Exiting, incoming. Next, epicure. Epicure is a person who takes particular pleasure in fine food and drink. A person who takes particular pleasure in fine food and drink. One who loves good food and drink is an epicure. These are synonyms: gourmet, gourmand. Gourmet and gourmand are synonyms of epicure. That also means a lover of good food. Next is fastidious. Fastidious. This means one who is hard to be pleased or very selective in habits. One who is hard to be pleased. It's very difficult to please him. So such a person is called fastidious. This is a synonym, insatiable. Insatiable. Insatiable means a person who is very difficult to be satisfied or hard to be pleased. So that is insatiable. Same way, a fastidious, also a man who is very difficult to be pleased or be satisfied. Next is fatalist. Fatalist means one who believes in fate. One who believes in fate is a fatalist. He believes that everything will happen as it is supposed to be happened. He believes in fate. Doesn't believe in actions. That is fatalist. One who runs away from justice is a fugitive or absconding. One who runs away from justice is a fugitive or absconding. A lover of good food, we already discussed, that is gourmand, gourmet or an epicure. All these words mean a lover of good food. Gourmet, or epicure. Next, a husband ruled by his wife. A husband ruled by his wife is henpecked. Henpecked. We call a man who is ruled by his wife is henpecked. One who is devoted to pursuit of pleasures. One who is devoted to pursuit of pleasures. One who is fond of pleasures. He is called a hedonist. Hedonist. One who acts against religion. One who acts against religion. One who is against religion is a heretic. Heretic. See, hedonist is a person devoted to pursuit of pleasures. But heretic means one who acts against religion. One who holds a post without any salary. One who holds a post without any salary is an honorary. Honorary. One who considers himself to be superior in culture and intellect. One who considers himself to be superior in culture and intellect is called a highbrow. Highbrow. Its synonyms are snob, hypocrite. Snob and hypocrite. These also mean one who considers himself to be superior in culture and intellect. Next is one who is always anxious about his own health. One who is always anxious about his own health, that he believes or he thinks that I am ill or I have some sickness. So such persons are called hypochondriac. Hypochondriac, who is always anxious about his own health. A person who strongly opposes generally accepted beliefs or traditions. A person who strongly opposes generally accepted beliefs or traditions is an iconoclast. Iconoclast. Next is one who pretends to be somebody else. One who pretends to be somebody else is an imposter. Imposter. One who does not get tired. One who does not get tired is indefatigable. Indefatigable. He doesn't get tired easily. It's very difficult to get tired. So that is indefatigable. There is no fatigue in him. That is indefatigable. One who does not express himself freely. Who does not express himself freely. That is introvert. Introvert. Its antonym is, or opposite word is extrovert. Extrovert is one who expresses himself freely. Introvert is doesn't express himself freely. One who journeys from place to place, or one who travels from place to place, is called an itinerant. Itinerant. There is a word itinerary, that is journey details, that is itinerary. And one who journeys from place to place is itinerant. There is a synonym for it, nomadic. Nomadic. There is also a person who travels from one place to another. One who is too strong to be defeated. One who is too strong to be defeated is invincible. Who cannot be defeated or conquered is an invincible. Its antonym is vincible. Means a person who can be easily defeated. That is vincible. Easily defeated or conquered. Next, one who cannot be harmed or wounded. One who cannot be harmed or wounded is invulnerable. Invulnerable. Its antonym is vulnerable. That means one who can be harmed or wounded. Easily harmed or wounded or easily affected by anything is vulnerable. Its antonym is invulnerable. A person who leads an immoral life. A person who leads an immoral life is libertine. Libertine. Its synonym is philanderer or lecher. Philanderer, lecher, libertine. All these mean a person who leads an immoral life. One who is money-minded or money-oriented is mercenary. Mercenary. One who is money-minded or money-oriented. Next is one who hates knowledge. One who hates knowledge is a misologist. Misologist. See the prefix mis, M-I-S, mis, that means a hater. Hater of knowledge. Logos. In Greek language, logos means knowledge. So, misologist is a hater of knowledge. Its antonym is bibliologist. Bibliologist is a lover of knowledge. And there is another word, bibliophile. Bibliophile is a lover of books. A lover of self means a selfish man. A lover of self is narcissist or egoist. Very selfish. A lover of self is narcissist or egoist. One who is inexperienced is a novice or greenhorn or tyro. All these mean an inexperienced person, new to some field. That is novice, greenhorn or tyro. So these are the one words for today. All these are very important words. Revise and learn. Now try to answer these model questions. Select the one word that can be substituted for the given group of words. First one, a lover of good food. A lover of good food. Options, hedonist, hypochondriac, gourmet, philanthropist. Answer is gourmet. Gourmet or gourmand or epicure. All these mean a lover of good food. Hedonist means a person who is fond of pleasures. A seeker of pleasures is hedonist. Hypochondriac means a person believes that he is ill, always thinks that he is suffering from some illness or very anxious about his own health. That is hypochondriac. Philanthropist is a lover of mankind. Philanthropist. Phil means lover. Next one who is money-minded. One who is money-minded is options, miser, narcissist, nomadic, mercenary. So one who is money-minded is mercenary. Miser means a man who doesn't spend money. That is miser, who doesn't spend money. Narcissist is a selfish man. A lover of self is narcissist. Nomadic is a person who travels from place to place or journeys from place to place is a nomadic or philanderer. So here ends this session. If you liked the session, like, subscribe and press the bell icon for all notifications of daily lessons and share with all English learners. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.